Hello, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to delete your Instagram account permanently. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your Instagram app. The next thing is to log into your Instagram account. Then you have to click on your profile icon found at the bottom of your screen. Clicking on it, you just have to click on the three lines that will be found at the top right corner of your screen. So you just have to click on it. So clicking on it, you just have to click on account center. Clicking on account center, you just have to click on personal details. Click on account ownership and control. Now you can click on deactivation or deletion. So if you want to delete, just click on your Instagram account and then click on delete account. You can now click on continue. It's going to automatically delete from your Instagram. Your account is going to be automatically deleted from your Instagram. So guys, that is it on how to delete Instagram accounts. If this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share, and then do not forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.